Tell Eli the Computer Guy what you think, boy. What do you think of Eli the Computer Guy's new video style? What do you think of his new idea of doing videos on news? What do you think of Eli the Computer Guy's channel? What do you think of Eli the Computer Guy's opinion and synopsis of the European economy and Brexit? What do you think of Eli the Computer Guy's thoughts on Jordan Peterson? What do you think of Eli the Computer Guy's thoughts on Trump? What do you think of Eli the Computer Guy's coverage of CES? What do you think of Eli the Computer Guy's coverage of Alex Jones? What do you think of Eli the Computer Guy's series on PHP? I know, it's so boring, isn't it? It just makes you want to yawn, doesn't it, Mr. Clinton? I mentioned it, it just makes you want to yawn. I know. Oh, I know, boy, I know. When's he gonna start making quality content again, like the stuff that we put out together? When's it gonna happen? When's he gonna start making videos like this? I know! What are your suggestions to Eli the Computer Guy for growth of his social media and online business? I know, just thinking about him makes you yawn, doesn't it, boy? Doesn't it? You wish he'd return to doing classes and things that he had passion for. Yes, passion, Mr. Clinton. Isn't that what you care about? Good boy. Oh, hi. Oh, little Clinton. You're always going to get attention here. Who loves you? Who loves little Clinton? Who loves you? That's right. Oh, you just shocked me, boy. And then you shocked me again. Give me more of that ESD power that helps me fix the MacBooks. Any closing words, boy? And with that, we'll bid you all adieu. As always, I hope you learned something.